Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove page break in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, here you can see view option, so click on it. So after this, here you can see page break preview, so click on it. So you can see these solid lines are short page break. So if you want to remove, so here you can see page layout, so click on it. So after this, in page setup you can see break option, so click on it. So after this, here you can see reset all page break, so click on it. So you can see all page break are reset. So guys, in this way you can remove page break in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.